Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this gorgeous fall look for you. It is colorful. It's set with bold dark vampy lips though. It is so beautiful. Honestly, I'm just really proud of this look. I worked hard on this look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. It reminds me of falling leaves, fall sunsets, fall colors in general. It's so beautiful, and of course we're using that Daisy Marquez palette from BhCosmetics again. Such a beautiful palette. So I have already primed my lids with the Maybelline Master Primer, and I have powder under the eye to catch fallout. Now from the Daisy Marquez palette, I'm picking up Vintage, and I'm picking that up on a somewhat fluffy crease brush, and this is an orange shade. This is a darker orange shade. It's still like on the bright side, so I would not call it like a burnt orange, but like a darker bright orange, if that makes sense. And we're going to work that in our crease. We're just going to work that into our crease. I'm going to pass over that a few times, dip into the shade and build it up. Now, like I always say in my tutorials, it is better to build your eyeshadows up little by little, like salt and pepper, versus just dumping a whole big lot on there. So definitely take your time and build your shades up. Now this is the Bare Crease Canvas. Cannot for the life of me ever remember what this is called from Makeup Revolution, but that's alright. We're going to be taking Bittersweet, and I'm going to be patting that on the lid. Now, I didn't do the crease, or I guess the concealer we can call it, to do a cut crease. I've been using that a lot lately just to give me a bare canvas, technically, to start working with so the colors don't become muddy. And I just wanted to blank out the lid and take away some of the orange. And I'm going to be patting this with a small eyeshadow brush, and I am going to build that up pretty heavily on the lid. And I'm going to buff the lines between Bittersweet and the first shade Vintage we used. So I'm going to just buff those together just a bit because we'll work on it more again later. Mainly working on building up and a tad of blending so we can move on to the next shade. Isn't this look so beautiful? It's so stunning. I love this. Like, I literally would use this as an everyday look. No joke, if it didn't take so long to do. Now I'm using a shadow switch and cleaning my brush off. Now we're picking up Flower, which is a bright yellow shade. The lid shade I would describe as a matte dark burgundy or dark wine shade, cranberry shade. So whatever shade you have like that in your collection. And all the shades I'm using today are matte. And I'm just buffing the Flower shade, the yellow shade, around the edges of Vintage. And I know it looks a bit bam in your face now, but we're not done blending. It's going to come together, I promise. That you just have to keep working little by little, adding shade, blending shade. So next I'm going to be taking Naked on a fluffy large shader brush. Sometimes I use this brush that you're seeing in my crease as well, so it's like a universal kind of brush. And I'm going to use that to blend down all the edges of Flower. We're going to blend that almost down into the orange shade as well, just blending. Now with LaColors Eye Marker, I'm using this to make a wing eyeliner. Completely optional, take your time with this. Even if you're not new with wings, you know, just take your time so you don't mess up your beautiful eyeshadow. And I do have eyeliner videos and stuff like that, so I'll try to put one in the cards, as well as a beginner makeup playlist for you to check out as well. Now this eyeliner is from Believe Beauty. It's long lasting eyeliner, $3.50. The shade is Caviar. Wonderful, wonderful. So we're going to be bringing that beautiful cranberry burgundy kind of shade down on the lower lash line. We're going to add a little bit of the orange shade towards the inner corner, and we're going to blend those together. You're not going to be able to see it very much, but we know it's there. And I'm using Maybelline's Rusty Terracotta eyeliner in the waterline. So just a red eyeliner, but you could use a white and then put a red eyeshadow on top if you don't have that eyeliner. Now in the inner corner, we're putting this beautiful shimmery shade to bring some light into our eye. It is so beautiful. I'm going to say this a lot in this video. It's so beautiful. AOA Studios Lashes in ALEXIS and Duo Lash Adhesive. ALEXIS from AOA Studio is my favorite lash. It's so beautiful. It's very easy to wear. These are easy to use. They're very flexible, thin band. If you're new to lashes, I definitely recommend trying the dollar drama lashes from LaColors or these AOA Studio dollar lashes. They're really, really nice. Now I do have a how to apply false eyelashes video as well, so I'm going to link that either in the description or in the cards if you're curious. This is Makeup Revolution's Blowout Mascara also, and such a beautiful pairing. Now for lips, we're using the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick in Voyager, and here's our finished look. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. It's gorgeous. You know it is. You love it too, right? Anyways, thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you'll buy the Daisy Marquez palette. Maybe you'll try to look out for yourself. Maybe you'll just recreate it with what you have in your collection. So I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. Thank you so very much for watching. And always check the description box for a product list as well as other links.